Friends, the freedom of the press all around the world is under threat. More and more governments are trying to limit the freedom of the press, both in print, broadcast and online, and more journalists find themselves in dangers, some even paying with their own lives while trying to carry out the vital mission for humanity. Out of great concern to these alarming developments, the Jerusalem Press Club has decided to hold an international conference titled Freedom of the Press, Old Commitments, New Challenges. On May 25, 2015, journalists, editors, bloggers, and freedom of the press activists will gather here in Jerusalem at this marvelous spot, one of the most beautiful and meaningful in the whole world, to exchange ideas, to be updated about the issues, and to put their heads together in trying to find ways to improve the current situation. Registration will begin soon online on the website of the Jerusalem Press Club. Don't miss this conference, one of the most important events in the area of freedom of the press in 2015. See you in Jerusalem on May 25th at the Jerusalem Press Club.